Another even problem that you won't find the answer to in your book, so I want to provide a solution for you here. This was also a toughie on the quiz. I mean, this is really testing your recognition of the fact that we cannot take the square root of these separately. The only way that we can separate out a square root is to factor the whole thing. So in order to do that, we will have to see if we can factor what's inside. And if you look, we can. Right, these are both multiples of 9, so I can take out 9. I can also take out a, which it's not a square, so it's not going to end up getting me anywhere, but that's all right. Just we're in factoring mode, so we'll go ahead and stay on that track. Alright, so in this case, my root 9 can simplify, so I can just call that 3, and everything else is pretty much left inside. And since I took out the a, I can leave that in factored form. Alright, so for b, what do you see here? It's pretty similar. Can factor out 25. Which simplifies to 5, and again, we have plenty of stuff left inside, and that's okay. Your quiz question, I believe, was this, right? Very tempting to try to break that out into two different things that you can take the square root of, but that does not work. If you're ever not sure, if you think, well, maybe it's, oops, there we go. Right, it's tempting to try to say that, but of course, if you ever were to square it, you would find out that you do not get back to this. You'd get 4x squared plus 4xy plus another 4xy, so 8xy plus 4y squared, not 4x squared plus 4y squared. In other words, the square root of this is that. The square root of this cannot be the same thing. Here, all I can do is factor out 4. But at least I can do that, because root 4 is 2, and everything else will stay inside.